If you are trying to conceive for more than 12 months, you must pay attention here. There is a link between toxins and your fertility. Did you know this? Your ability to get pregnant naturally is being stopped by the toxins in your body. You may not realize your body is ridden with harmful toxins. These toxins are the villains of your fertility. These toxins entered into your body through the foods you eat and the water you drink and the air you breathe. Liver and uterus toxins can prevent your conception. First, let me enter into the liver toxicity. Liver removes excess estrogen from the body. If your liver is ridden with toxins, it can't remove excess estrogen. Excess estrogen is the root cause of all women's problems, as it imbalances women's hormonal functioning and thereby affect the fertility. Liver cleansing is therefore very important in restoring your fertility. Now let us see how uterus toxicity impacts your fertility. The symptoms like PMS cramps, dark blood, and blood clotting during menstruation and other menstrual problems are signs of uterus toxicity, and therefore uterus cleansing is necessary to restore the uterus health. In view of the above, restoring the health of your liver and uterus is the key factor to conceive fast. What are the fertility cleaning diets? You can cleanse your liver by adding foods like beetroots and carrots in your diet. Fertility cleansing herbs. Indian herbs like garlic, ginger, and turmeric are the best to detox your liver. These herbs are the best because they are safe and cleanse your liver and reproductive organs fast. The bottom line is this: you can increase your fertility with fertility cleansing. This may be the missing piece of your fertility puzzle. Therefore, elimination of toxins from your body is a must before you get pregnant. You may not realize this fact so far. Hopefully, undergoing the fertility cleansing may probably fulfill your dream of becoming a mother of your baby. I am sure you have realized the importance of fertility cleansing in getting pregnant fast. You may be wondering how you can do this easily without any side effects whatsoever. It is here the natural fertility cleanse kit comes in handy. Fertility cleanse kit detox and restore your hormonal balance. Fertility cleanse also promotes the health of your eggs and your uterus. So, fertility cleanse kit helps you restoring your fertility without any side effects. Remember and realize, if you are not conceiving, no matter what you do, toxicity in your body is one of the important factors behind your infertility problem. 5 herbs found in fertility cleansing kit cleanse liver and uterus and restore liver and uterus health. Restoration of liver and uterus health is therefore the secret of conceiving fast. Click the link given in the description and find out how to use the fertility cleanse kit and get pregnant soon.